Hey, my name is Mark Harvey, and in this video you're going to learn how to invest in property, but the fast way and the most efficient way. So here's the thing. If you're a total beginner to investing in property, then what you're going to need to do first, or what I would highly recommend, is that you get yourself to a highly experiential training program. Not just like a seminar where people might just do a presentation, but an actual training program where you physically do the work. So it's like gaining the experience. That will give you a total immersion into all the different aspects of that. But you know, the fastest way is not just to have a total immersion, but also to have spaced repetition once you acquire this information. So subscribe to this YouTube channel. There is a whole host of information. So you might want to give yourself the wealth of knowledge of all the different aspects of investing through these different videos. But then do you know what you've got to do? And the fastest way to learn is actually go out there and take the action. But I'm going to give you an actual method, because I'm not just going to say take action, take action. Like, you know, most people will say the action that you're going to take is just going to be step by step. So you're going to watch these videos on YouTube, or you're going to attend a Real Life Property Wealth where we go through a whole host of strategies and actually are there to help you. You know, I'm there, Trish is there, our coach is there to help you go through it, or you're going to watch these videos. But then once you have the information, then you're going to take action. You're going to take the first step. Then what happens? A question is going to come up. Then all you need to do is seek and find that answer. So I just want to give an example. So a lot of people, they ask us, what are the requirements when it comes to converting a house into a HMO? So there's various people that you can get this information from. So builders are one, HMO officer is another one. There's actually packs that you can download and be given also to understand what are the room sizes and what are the requirements for all of this. Yeah, so this is the way to do it. I mean, I'll just give you one example. But when you take action, what happens is you're going to start to receive feedback. That feedback, if you're willing to accept it, all it is just an unanswered question, something that you need to know. Yeah, so you just need to go to the places that can get you there the fastest. I mean, real life, we have an amazing community of people, experts, all different fields, all different strategies, all different areas of the countries, and we have masterminds and meetups and other trainings that we do. So if you want to get involved in that and have a place and have the answer at the end of your fingers, then do that. But look, at the very least, just whatever area or whatever subject that the question comes up or the feedback, then just go to that person, go to that place, whether it's planning, whether it's a solicitor or a broker or a bank or how lending works or all that stuff, and then you can get the answer. It's as simple as that, and that's how you move fast, quick. Yeah, and the quickest way you're going to do it, like I say, total immersion. So go to a highly experiential training program. Real Life Property Wealth is one of them. And then what you're going to do is get spaced repetition after. So if you've got coaching and mentoring for people to literally give you specific answers and point you in the right direction, that's the fastest way you're going to do it. But worst case scenario, like I already said, is just ask the question in the area which it's relevant. So if it's something to do with a build project, then ask a builder. You know, you've took action, now you realize you don't know this, so just go and ask, and then you do know. So look, subscribe to this channel, comment. I want to hear your comments below if there's any questions around this. Also, give it a thumbs up, because if this information is useful, then we need to get it spread to as many people as possible.